is my India? Where is my India? Where is my India? Where is my culture? Where is the respect? Where is humanity? Where am I living? This is not India. I lost my India. This is not India. I lost my India. Oh Bapuji, it's waste of your struggle. Oh Netaji, it's waste of your struggle. My kids are asking, when can we move like a bird? My sister asking, when can I dress like a Barbie girl? Let them take their wish, live their lives. Don't teach them what to wear. Instead teach the guys how to live and how to share the love and how to show the care.